Welcome, this is Panda-Frog, and today I like to try the challenge lock from Jedo, Cheapside, number 50. And I got this lock when I ordered my pick from the Lockpicking coal miner, and he sent me this challenge lock from Jedo. I already opened it, but I haven't got it yet, so let's see if I can open it again and got it. So it's Cheapside Jedo number 50, and it's a Jedo, I don't know, 5-pin lock, I guess. Submitting. Not too wired, I might say. Alright, so let's get to it. Some focus on here. So I found that tension from here, it's pretty good, and I'm gonna use the little hook from the Lockpicking coal mine now. It's a nice one, I have to say. Let me see if I can open this one now. I should tighten it again, sorry. I loosened it up a little to put the dog tag there, so now, alright, now we can go. Alright, so I start in front at 1, little clicky. Okay, I'm at 3. I'm at 4, couldn't get around it. Okay, so again to the front. 1 is okay. 2 is springy. Nothing there. I haven't picked it from this angle, so maybe reset it really quick. Maybe I can, so I can see a little. There was a little fault set. Don't know if you saw it. Something's on the 5. Very interested to see there's a fault set again. I lost it before, I believe. And I believe I got some overset pins here. There's something going on, some kind of rotation, and we open. Alright, so I haven't opened a Jedo yet, so I don't know what to expect. Let's see, let's find out. It's a nice pick. A lot of feedback. Okay, so got some photos here. Got this here. So we got this with a C-clip there. Let me see if I can get this off. Let's use some, so I can work with 2 hands on that C-clip. Sometimes it's all about tools. Now I bend it a little. I have to bend it back. Yeah, but the C-clip's off. I have to bend it back a little. Was a little too much force, I guess, but we will fix that later. Or let's say I will fix it. Okay, now I locked it again. Doesn't matter, because we got the key. So we got a groove, big groove here, so I should use the shim. So we don't drop into that groove, right? Okay, so now follower. Let me see, where's my follower, which one fits? Sorry. Oh, it looks great. Doesn't quite fit in there, but it does fit here. Alrighty, righty. So, nice. I love the stuff from Bobby keys. So let's get out put out the key. Now let's put back in. So what we got here? So this is all right. Did I just screw it up? No, it's fine. Alright, beautiful made. I will show you later a little closer. Pin number row. And there it is. Alright. So the key pins, hopefully you can see it. They're all very nicely made. I will add a picture later on. It's pretty nice, isn't it? And we got some, I don't know if you can see that. Turn it down a little. You got counter milling in here. Yeah, very nice work. Okay, so let's get out some pins. Shim can come out again. Oh, I already released the first pin, sorry. I have to be very careful. What is it? Oh, pin and a pin. Nice. Haven't had that before. So, very, yeah, of course it's too tiny. So we got a pin and a pin. Let me get the spring out. This spring. And the next one is a spool. Come on, springy. Spring. Very nice. Let me zoom in so you may see that a little better. Alright. So what else? You already can see the counter milling. I don't know how you do that. Okay. The next one, we got a longer spool. Alright, little thinner. And we got another spring there, of course. And ooh, what is it? I believe it's supposed to be that way. We will look at the pins in a moment. Wow, the work on this pins is amazing, I have to say. So we got counter milling in here, in the last one. Oh, I believe they're all, yeah, more or less. The front ones, the outside ones are more and the others a little less, but still. Alright, so Jedo, pretty fun look, I have to say. Not too hard, but still very nicely done. See what we got, you can see. Let me get the follow-up away from here. So we got pin in a pin. We got a spoolie spool. A longer spool. Then we got serration. Okay. Get more serration and deeper and not so deeper serrations. We got like mushroom pinny thingy. One. We got a like a bullet key pin. Another one of that. A lot of potential to keep hold up in the serrations or in the threading. Okay, so Cheapside, Jedo Cheapside, very nice lock. You can end the video now. I will try to reassemble the lock now, and if you leave now, goodbye, see you next time. Thank you for watching, and if you stay, have fun watching me putting the stuff hopefully back together. Can be funny sometimes. Let me zoom out a little for that again. So alrighty. Okay, let's see. Okay. And sometimes I have to check it, because, yeah. So we got this serrated pin here, with different kinds of serrations. There was the last pin, number 5. Pin 5 is all the serrations. Okay, let's put it in. Hey, come on, dude. I even got problems putting it back together. Sometimes. Alright, next spring. Actually, let me turn on. Can I do that? No, I cannot. Can I? No, sorry. Alright, now I'm missing the spring. Where is it? Come on. Where did it go? Did anybody see where it went up? There it is. And I lost the pin again, see? It's not funny for me, but it might be funny for you. I don't know. Now I have to check if the spring is still in there. Yeah, it is. Alright, that's fine. Alright, get back in. Serrated one in here. I have to say thank you, Harry, for this nice, fun lock and for sending it to the Lockpicking Coal Miner. Thank you, Lockpicking Coal Miner, for sending it to me. And I will send it. If you're interested in this lock, just let me know. Maybe I will send it next to you. I don't know yet. I don't know where it goes next. But if you're interested, you can write me, or in the comments, or write me an email or whatever, and I see what I can do. Maybe it will be the next one on the list as soon as I can find time. Sending this one. Oh, and I lost it again. Come on, dude. I can't seem to get this one in. No, now we got it. Yeah, sometimes it might takes a minute or two. I'm not a pro. Alright, the spools are usually a little easier because you can like jam them in the corner here. I have no idea how I will fit in the pin and pin. I will do that. I have to examine them really quickly. Okay, so let's see this pin and pin. Is it just loose in there? Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, there's also a spring in a spring or what? Holy crap! So we got the spring, and then we got another spring in the spring. So it will be interesting to fit together again. Oi, 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 oi. The spring is still in the spring, yes. No, it's not good. That's not good. Okay. So the spring in the spring and the spring with the spring is in. Oh, crap. So how do I get this one in without screwing everything up? Never had a pin in a pin, to be honest. That's beautiful, mate. So probably I'm gonna hold it a little sideways like this, so it doesn't drop out. And then, shit. And the spring is a little stronger than the others, I believe. I believe my plan is not too bad to hold it that way. We will see how it works out. Okay, so now I need to kind of somehow jam it like this, and then hopefully get it in and out, and oh, finally. Okay, now we got to set the key pins. It's usually the easy part. Okay, so now we're all set, and I'm gonna use the shim again to be sure not to jam in the pins in that groovy thing in there. All right. What I was afraid of, because I want to turn it a little, and then of course it came out. That looks much better. Alright, so now let's get this one in here. Try not to jam something somewhere where it doesn't belong. Still looks good. Now I have to get this one again to the size where it was. Sorry about that. Still clips here. C-clip. But that looks okay, I guess. Five-pin Jedo challenge lock. Picked, got it, and reassembled. I was about 20 minutes now, 21, but yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you want this lock, let me know. Write me an email, and I will see who gets it next. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.